Format A is an audio transmission solution that provides short or long-distance audio transmission over twisted pair cable. Each cable run carries 3 audio signals and DC power for remote Format A modules. All audio formats can be connected to each end of the path: mic level, line level, balanced, or unbalanced. An entire Format A distributed audio system can be configured over standard CATx cables and connectors. In a Dante networked system, Format A can be used to break out the audio sending and receiving connections, putting them right where they're needed. Learn more in RDL's Introduction to RDL Dante Format A Networked Audio Products video. Audio sources connect to Format A senders. Up to 3 single-pair senders can feed a single twisted pair cable run. The senders do not need to be located together. In fact, each sender may be in a different location or even in a different room. They are connected along the cable run in series from one to the next using standard RJ45 connectors. Each sender adds 1, 2, or 3 sources to a cable run. The cable continues on to at least one Format A receiver. The receiver provides 1, 2, or 3 audio outputs. As many as 10 receivers may be connected along the cable run using standard RJ45 connectors. Each receiver may be in a different location, different room, or even in a different building. Format A supports cable runs between senders and receivers up to several hundred meters with exceptional interference immunity. Senders and receivers are frequently mounted in walls where local power is impractical. Those senders or receivers can be powered through the twisted pair cable. DC power may be connected at one end to power the modules at both ends. Often, it is more convenient to connect power somewhere in the middle of the cable run using Format A power inserters. If the audio sources need to be distributed through separate cable runs to different destinations, a Format A distribution amplifier may be inserted. Local power connected to the distribution amplifier will power the connected sending and receiving modules. In a Dante network, the Format A senders and receivers are powered by the Format A Dante interfaces. New users that expect Format A to be complicated are surprised to discover that Format A systems are truly simple to design and to install. Wiring uses standard CATx twisted pair cable. Connections use RJ45 plugs. Sender and receiver modules are available to mount in walls, on flat surfaces, and in equipment racks. Select the Endpoint module that provides the type of audio connection needed at a location and connect it. A switch set during installation routes audio to or from cable pair A, cable pair B, or cable pair C. A wide variety of senders and receivers is available. Common senders include surface or rack-mounted line-level 3-input module, wall-mounted single mic preamp with 24-volt phantom, wall-mounted dual mic preamp with 48-volt phantom, and wall-mounted line input module. Common receivers include surface or rack-mounted line-level 3-output module, wall-mounted line output module, and wall-mounted Decora-style loudspeaker. Custom graphics are available on wall-mounted senders and receivers, and they are compatible with all RDL Decora-style remote controls, jack plates, amplifiers, and other accessories used in the system. All the Format A modules simply connect to the cable run. There are no programming or software settings to configure, gains to calculate, level trimmers to set, isolation transformers to connect, different wire types to pre-wire, or audio formats to convert. Choose Endpoint modules with the connections you need and plug them together. Whether you need to break out user connections in a Dante network, send and receive audio over short or long distances, or distribute audio sources to multiple destinations, Format A is unmatched in performance, quality, and value.